Skrill is a digital wallet that charges fees based on deposits, withdrawals, currency conversion, and international transfers. Skrill's 2026 fee structure keeps internal transfers low while charging standard rates for moving funds. Wallet deposits cost 1% to 2.5%, and sending money to another Skrill user is free for active accounts. Withdrawing funds carries fixed costs, averaging $6 to $7 for bank transfers and 2% to 4% for cards. International transfers include a 3.99% currency conversion markup, though reaching true Skrill or VIP status can significantly reduce or eliminate these fees. Skrill offers free registration, account closure, and currency management while charging an inactivity fee of Euro 5.0 for both personal and business accounts. Additionally, users must meet a transaction limit requirement with a minimum deposit of Euro 10.0. Reddit users say reopening an account to receive a payment was handled quickly, even overnight, with a smooth experience overall. Overall, it's best for fast and hassle-free account support. Overall, Skrill is convenient for online payments, but fees can add up depending on how often you transfer or convert currencies. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.